As a proud supporter of Filipino athletes, I believe it's crucial for the Philippine government and private sector to also invest more in advanced equipment and resources for Olympic sports beyond the nation's traditional favorites such as basketball, boxing, and billiards. Many Filipino athletes in other disciplines such as gymnastics have shown immense potential and dedication. And this is my reason why I placed the title of this video as "Who cares if Carlos Yulo won gold medal? Paris 2024 Olympics men's floor exercise." Because in my opinion, the dedication, passion, and sportsmanship of our Filipino athletes will only be wasted if there's no support in terms of promoting other sports to our younger generations and lacking monetary means to fund our Filipino athletes and heroes long term. Now through this video, I sincerely congratulate Carlos Yulo for winning the gold medal on the 2024 Paris Olympics men's floor exercise. You see, Carlos Yulo's winning performance, which earned him a score of 15,000, edged out defending champion Artem Dolgopyat of Israel, who took silver, and Great Britain's Jake Jarman, who won the bronze medal.